Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set fingerprint in Oppo K10 phone 5G. And in this video guys, we are going to talk about fingerprint. How can we set in Oppo phone? So let's see how to set fingerprint. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on password and security setting guys. And you can see fingerprint option. So let's click here and guys continue. So as you will have to choose guys pattern, number and guys name, password. So we will go with pattern. So as we will have to set any pattern, so we will take this. Then guys we can set our fingerprint. So as you can see, place your finger on the sensor. So as we will have to click, touch. As you will have to guys touch and remove sensor guys, touch and remove. So as you can see, done. So let's click here. So as fingerprint is as set it. So right now you can see. So I hope friends we have understood how to set fingerprint in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.